SunflowerLand is an NFT game where you can earn up to $1,000 per month. Don't believe us? Come and see for yourself. The entry fee is only $5, and for that price, SunflowerLand offers you a lot. In this video, we will show you step by step how you can also earn with SunflowerLand. Number 1 is crafting. In crafting, you will find various tools that allow you to harvest trees, stones, iron, and gold. We also have special items that help us farm faster and obtain more crops. And lastly, we have building, which allows us to construct things like a kitchen to prepare various dishes, earning us XP. However, to gain XP, we must first consume the prepared food on our character on the island. Number 2 is expansion. Expanding your island costs 1 green ticket and some materials. Green tickets can be obtained by purchasing them or receiving them for free from various events. Number 4 is achievements and skills. Skills are unlocked with skill points that we acquire through leveling up. Achievements are obtained by completing specific tasks. Number 5 is the daily chest. Here we have a daily chest that costs 1 cent to open, but the rewards inside are very good and definitely beneficial at the beginning. Number 6 is farming. First, we need to buy seeds from the shop, and different types of seeds unlock as we level up. By clicking on a seed, we can plant it in the field. There are also various quests that reward us with tokens. Number 7 is traveling. First, we have the town of Helios, where we can buy decorations, sell seasonal items, and participate in auctions. Second is Downbreaker, which changes with each season. Here we can complete quests every 12 hours. Currently, there isn't much else to do, but Downbreaker is in beta, so it's expected that more features will be added. Third is Goblin Retreat, where you can buy different seasonal pets that help you acquire more materials. There's also a list of all the crops in the game and the option to trade with other players. Number 7 is Withdrawal. Withdrawal is only possible if you lock your coins on the blockchain. To do this, go to the bottom right corner, click on the gear icon and select Store Progress on Chain. Additionally, you can click on the bank to withdraw your Sunflower tokens to your wallet. We hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe.